Whoa. Peak meals. Sweet. So I do not know who sent me the peak meals, but thank you very much. Much appreciated. Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope very well. Happy Fired Up Friday. Hope everyone's doing great. Let's go right into this week's channel shout out. So we have biscuits and gravy. One of my favorite meals ever. 2 servings. Who are they kidding? I'm going to eat that whole thing myself. And then pork and rice. So those will be making an appearance sometime in the future. Oh, can't do the drawing yet. I got to do, got a belated Christmas card from my buddy Mark Kratz, who sent me a sticker all the way from Texas. A very cool guy. Thank you very much, brother. Appreciate that. My apologies for last week for getting the for not doing the mail call. Just had to replace my headlights that burnt out, and I got a Christmas card, belated Christmas card. I believe it was from my buddy. Actually, I'm not really sure who sent it, because they put a well, there's a piece of tape over the name, so I don't know who sent it. It came from Arizona. Did they sign the card? Oh, you know what? It was, I think it was JB Outdoors and More. So, thank you, brother. Appreciate that. If I'm wrong, I apologize. I think I got your name right. I think I got that right. So, let me get the sticker on the board. I got a sticker right there. Come on, tripod. Next to, just underneath James G. Outdoors, Allie Carroll, VC Gerbs, and Nikki St. Lorette. Alright, let's hop into the this week's channel shout out. And the name popped out, so who we got? Oh, cool. Shane Coffey Outdoors. Great guy. Haven't seen many videos from him lately, but just an excellent guy. A great brother. I will link his channel description, of course. Let's go get a burn going. Alright, so I got some Dominic Menischetti Fatwood with the Dominator, the Nathan 4071 ferrule rod Dominic Menischetti handle, BPS 3 knife. It's a pretty sweet little blade. just gonna get a little burn going. And of course, my it's not a one and done, but it is a fire. Sweet. Noise. I do want to mention too, want to send a little smoking face. I want to send some healing well wishes for my brother Ken over at Subarctic Wolf Outdoors or Tools and Outdoors. The link will be in the description. He just had a triple hernia surgery, so he is resting. Surgery is done, but he's resting and recuperating. So, let's, if you can throw out some healing energy for him. And I can't imagine 3 surgeries. He just actually uploaded a video today. He looked like he was quite a lot of pain. So, wishing you speedy recovery, brother. He'll be out in he'll be up and around in no time, hopefully. Just a small little burn today. Nothing too crazy. It's almost already burned out. So hopefully we can just kind of easing back into things. There's something just very satisfying about fire. Good stuff. I don't know if it's showing up, but you can see that black smoke. Sweet. I gotta get out of here and clean the, I guess it just died. Yeah, clean my whole back porch, get ready to go start getting wood for next year, for next winter. Like I did last winter, I just go get free wood and then I stack it all up here, and then as soon as I have a nice couple dry days, I come out and split it all, which I'll probably do another video. So, alright.